हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई एम लोहित जिंदल, फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर एट कॉर्टेक्स क्लासेस. So guys, I'm back with the next video of pre-RMO 2019 solutions. Okay, so let's begin without any ado. Okay, just one request, please solve the question alongside if you have not solved it earlier. Okay, so just solve it alongside ताकि आपको maximum benefit हो सके. Okay, so let's see the question guys. Let me get to the corresponding slide. Okay, so number 3 पे based question है, you can say, or you can say it is based on P and C. Basically cases बना के करना पड़ेगा हमें. Let's see. But as such, if you can spend the small amount of time in exam guys, आपके 3 marks पक्के हो जाएंगे इसमें. Very easy question otherwise. Okay, find the number of order triples ABC of positive integers such that, this is the condition guys, 30A plus 50B plus 70C is less than equal to 343. तो गाइज ए बी सी की वैल्यूज हम क्या क्या डाल सकते हैं नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर ट्रिपल्स ढूंढने फॉर सच दैट लेस देन इक्वल टू 343 है, नॉट इक्वल टू, राइट. तो लेट्स सी क्या कर सकते हैं गाइज. यहाँ पे गाइज हमें ये बताया हुआ है कि पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स होने चाहिए, दैट इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. सो नो वैल्यू कुड बी जीरो, है ना, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. तो गाइज सी की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितनी हो सकती है, कैन नॉट गो इट बियॉन्ड 4 ना. देखो सी इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 4 ना, सी इक्वल टू 5 कर देंगे तो एक्सीड कर जाएगा, 350 आ जाएगा वो. Similarly, b is less than equal to 6, right? b cannot be 7. And similarly, a जो है ओवरऑल, वैसे तो हम ये कंसीडर करना चाहिए कि a की वैल्यू के लिए या b की वैल्यू के लिए सबकी वैल्यू कम से कम एक हो सकती है, 1 तो होनी पड़ेगी ना. सो लेट्स से इफ आई एम सेइंग कि b के केसेस निकालने, सो आई हैव टू कंसीडर कि 70 c तो होना ही है, 70 की वैल्यू तो एक तो माइनस होनी ही है ना. बट नेवर माइंड, जस्ट दिस इज अ प्रीलिमिनरी थिंग कि a b c की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है. सिमिलरली गाइज a कैनॉट गो टिल 12. अगर आप a को 12 रख दोगे वो 360 हो जाएगा. सो a हैज टू बी लेस देन इक्वल टू 11, राइट. सो दीज आर द रेंजेस और बाउंडेडनेस ऑफ abc, right. So let us start solving the cases guys. Let's take the first case. Let's put c equal to 1. Okay, what if c value को 1 से लेके 4 तक करना है, so we'll have to make 4 cases. You'll see the pattern what will happen, right. तो guys c को 1 रखा. Now what will my inequality become? 30a. okay, देखो 30a plus 50b लेस देन इक्वल टू क्या आ जाएगा. सो गाइस सिंस आई हैव पुट c एज 1, उधर जाके माइनस होगा तो क्या बन जाएगा, 343 माइनस 70, सो दैट इज 273. दिस इज माय इनइक्वालिटी. नाउ गाइस इफ आई स्टार्ट टेकिंग केसेस फॉर b, इसके बाद अगर हम b के केसेस लें, देखो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द केसेस ऑफ b. सो सी गाइस b को लेट से 1 डाल दिया, राइट. सो व्हाट विल बी माय इनइक्वालिटी नाउ, लेट्स सी. अगर मैं b को 1 लिख देता हूं, सो माय इनइक्वालिटी इज 30a less than equal to what, 273 minus 50 is 223. okay, let me write here. So 30a will be less than equal to 223. okay, let me write it here itself. so b को अगर 1 डाल देंगे तो my inequality what will it become, okay, वो लिखते जाएंगे. so 3a will be less than equal to 223, right. So now you can see guys how many values of a are possible. How many, we are just interested in how many, not the exact values, right. Although a की values कहां से कहां जा सकते हैं, 1 2 3 4 से लेके 7 तक. okay, I'm sorry, this is 30a ना, this is 30a. okay, so 30a is less than equal to 223. so a can get up to a maximum of 7 जब 210 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि उसके अगला वैल्यू तो 240 हो जाएगा, right. so a has 7 values, so I can write it here itself, there are 7 possibilities, right. So now guys, then when I put b equal to 2, you can understand every time the total decreases by 50, right. अगर आप b को 2 डाल दोगे, your 30a value is going to be less than 173. now how many values of a are possible, 5, right. 30 into 5 तक 150 तक जा सकते हो, उसके बाद 180 आ जाएगा which will exceed. then you can get the pattern now. चलो b को 3 डाल देंगे, so you what you will get is 30a less than equal to, you subtract another 50, so 123, right? So what would you get? How many possible values of a could be there? So 120 तक आप जा सकते हो. So there are 4 possible values, right? So till now it is fine. Now coming to b equal to 2, right? Sorry, b equal to 4. Increase कर रहे हैं ना? I'm sorry about this. So let's say put b equal to 4. Your equation will become 30a less than equal to another 50, you reduce 73. Okay, so for this you will get two values, right? 60 तक आप जा सकते हो, उसके अगला वैल्यू तो 90 हो जाएगा, right? So there are two values. So we are very much closer to the end guys for this. So b को 5 put कर दिया guys अगर, now you see the equation becomes 30a less than equal to 23. So you can see there is no solution for this. There is no solution for this, right? So that's it. तो guys इस केस में हमने कितने फाइंड कर लिए यहाँ से? How many possibilities या how many ordered triples are there? देखो कि guys c को तो फिक्स करके चले हैं ना, और a और b के पेयर्स आते जा रहे हैं हर बार. All are different. Okay, so how many pairs? 7 plus 5 12 plus 4 16 plus 2 18, I think, right? 9 and 9, yes. So 18 cases, right? So I hope it is clear. Now guys, let's say the second case, c को 2 put कर देते हैं. I understand कि थोड़ा लेंदी है, so you're getting the idea now. तो but cases कम होते जाएंगे guys since you are increasing the values of c. So 30a plus 50b will be how much? देखो, will be less than equal to, so as you're putting c as 2, that means 140 minus कर देना है, so it will give you 203, right? You're subtracting 140. So that's it. Let's see. तो guys values फिर से शुरू करते हैं b के, right? So let's say again putting b as 1 will give you what? That will give you 30a less than equal to how much? अगर आपने b को 1 डाल दिया guys, that will give you 153. This will give you 153, right? So guys, that means how many values of a will satisfy this? 5 values going from a equal to 1 to 5, right? क्योंकि 30 into 5 is 150. So you'll get 5 values, and then putting b as 2, you'll get, what equation would you get? Okay, so let's see. 30a will be less than equal to 103. Another 50 you reduce. ठीक है, तो guys इससे कितने ways आएंगे? So 30a you can go till 3. That's it. So next time b को 3 put करेंगे guys, so you'll get, so little faster. Okay, 30a is less than equal to 53. So as you can see guys, इस पे कितना एक ही आएगा, you'll get one value. Now guys you cannot reduce any further, right? You don't need to write this as well. b equal to 4 पे अगर जाएंगे, you can simply see 200 minus हो जाएगा. There'll be no case possible, right? Because you're reducing this 53 by further 50, you'll left with 03. मतलब value will be 3 itself. So no solution further. So these are the only case possibles, right? Will not go any further. So 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1, 9 cases. Right? So these are another 9 cases. So third case, c को 3 put कर देते हैं. We'll get 30a plus 50b less than equal to, guys subtracting 30 means c को 3 डाल दिया, तो यहाँ पे 70c becomes 210. उसको आप 343 से माइनस करोगे तो कितना बच गया? 133. So this is 133. So again guys you can put b as 1, you'll get 30a. अगर आपने अब b को 1 डाल दिया, 30a will be less than equal to, let me see. Okay, so 30a will be less than equal to what? 83. Right, so that would give you only two values. Only two values are possible. Then you put b equal to 2. So I don't think you'll get something. तो guys 100 माइनस कर दिया, okay, one value आ जाएगा. 30a will be less than equal to 33. Okay, so you'll get one value itself, and the next time it will b cannot go far than 2, right? In this case guys, यहाँ पे b has to be लेस देन इक्वल टू, है ना? 3 नहीं हो सकता है, बिकॉज अगर आपने b को 3 डाल दिया then it will exceed 133, right? If you put 3 it will be 150, तो no point. तो that's it, ये वाले केस भी हो गए guys. So it will becoming small, lesser and lesser number of cases, right? You can see that. So 3 cases. So last में guys, अगर आप फोर्थ केस में देखते हो c को 4 डाल दोगे, उससे आगे तो वैसे भी नहीं जाना. Your equation will reduce to 30a. Okay, let me show you. So 30a plus 50b is less than equal to how much? c को 4 डाला तो 280 हो गया. 280 माइनस करेंगे गाइस तो क्या मिला? 280 is 63. So inequality becomes 63. So you can see guys, you can only put b equal to 1. Okay, या फिर आप कह सकते हो guys, a और b को कम से कम 1 1 तो डालना है. You have to put at least 1 and 1 each. तो 30a plus 5b का मिनिमम वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? Right, 30a plus 5b. You could have done this as well guys. 150 से नीचे वालों को सोल्यूशन ही नहीं आएंगे. Whenever the total, overall total is lesser than 150, उससे छोटे सोल्यूशन नहीं आने थे वैसे भी. But anyways, 30a plus 50b, that the sum has to be at least 80. यहाँ पे 63 आ रहा है, so there will be no solution for this. So guys, whatever cases we have found, that should be the answer. That's it, right? So guys, totaling them up, number of order triples. So total कितना हो जाएगा? 18 plus 9 plus 3. So that gives us 30 cases, or you can say 30 order triples, right? So that should be our final answer. So there should be 30 order triples guys, right? So let me write here. So the final answer to this question that you'll mark will be 30, right? So I hope guys आपको सबको ये समझ में आया. I know मुझे लिखने में थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है यहाँ पे, because I'm not using paper and pen, right? So but yes, you guys understand कि अगर आप पेपर में इसको करते हो, it should hardly take more than 5 minutes, and it's quite not that difficult to understand as well. कि आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ते ही आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो by making the cases, and that these are not that many cases, right? Easy to count. So I hope guys सबको समझ में आया ये क्वेश्चन, and you guys learned something from this video, I hope, right? This video benefited in you some way. Okay, so that's it from my end guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and all the best. Take care guys. Bye bye.